You're watching Maserati TV. Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Miss Maserati, and I'm cooking dinner on this Grammy Sunday. Let's see. So I am in the kitchen putting my own spin on a home chef box. You know those things, a meal in every box. So it's filet mignon with my own special seasoning and bacon wrapped. I will come back a little later and let you see what I am going to do with these and what I'm going to sit them next to. So this is Miss Maserati and I'm in the kitchen cooking on a Sunday. Nice. Everybody should take some time out to relax for themselves. See you in a moment. Ciao. Catch the new shows and the old seasons on blogtalkradio.com/Zarati Radio. I'm always looking to make a friend or a few on Facebook. Come on over to my place, Miss Maserati Show Host. Love the skin you're in. Visit us at Poshmark Skin Game. Okay, so potatoes came in the box. And they are supposed to be mashed potatoes. They suggest that you peel them and boil them. However, I am going to clean them deeply, lightly salt them, and bake them for a more wholesome, full potatoey flavor. Not watered down by water, but just keeping it cooking in its own juices as the potatoes. So we'll get back to that, but these are going to go in the oven and bake until soft. All right, we'll be back. Hi, I'm Miss Maserati, inviting you to join me on my Instagram at Miss Maserati Host. Now, this is probably the worst. There are Brussels sprouts, and with the Brussels sprouts, I want thick bacon. So, the fry is on. Sorry, this is a cholesterol no-no. But a flavor, yes, yes. As you can see, not too much, but just enough of a flavor. Let's see. My own personal twist on a home chef recipe. There's a big bundle up and save sale going on right now at Web Mall on Poshmark. Stay in the loop and don't you miss it. See you there. Coming this February, the very, very funny Mr. Michael Collier. Join me as I sit down with him on Zarati Radio for the Chat It Up show. You guys know Michael. He's here, there, and everywhere, all around, sitting with the stars, roaming the country, and putting his jokes out there to warm your hearts, make you think, and make you remember when. So join me as I welcome the very, very funny Mr. Michael Collier to Zarati Radio. Okay, so we got these potatoes done, garlic mashed with the skin for a little fuller taste, a little crunch to them, some texture, little paprika, lots of garlic, little butter, a little swish in there. Delish, delish, delish. Okay, so that's what happened with those potatoes. And on to the next. Brussels sprouts. It's your turn. Okay, putting my own spin on a home chef box meal. And when we come back, Brussels sprouts. You're watching Zarati TV in the kitchen with Miss Maserati. Summer's coming and you want to get ahead of the game. Don't let the sun catch you without your eye game being on point. So hop right on over to Poshmark.com/love to throw shade. That's LUV, the number 2, THROWSHADE. Love to throw shade. And don't just arrive this summer, stun them. So there are Brussels sprouts involved. You have to clip the ends and clean them, and then prepare them for how you're going to serve them with your meal, whether that be grill them or bake them, saute them. In my case, I am going to cut them in half and give them a quick stir fry in some olive oil. So I'll let you see what that looks like after it's done. Okay, Brussels sprouts. Yum. Visit my sponsors, Web Mall. Check them out and make them an offer that they can't refuse. If you go there, you'll find one-of-a-kind eclectic finds. Get your stunner shade game up. Check them out. Web Mall on Poshmark. Okay, this is the first prep stage. Got a nice sear on them, and then we're going to simmer them down with the rest that are cooking, and then we'll start to plate. All right. Well, no, maybe one more step. I'm thinking about a nice little salad, so we'll see.
You know, this is Skip, and you're watching Zarati TV via YouTube at the Comedy Union, baby.
Okay, we're back. The Brussels sprouts came out lovely. Look at that. Nice and seared. See, got some bacon, Parmesan cheese, Swiss cheese, special seasonings and spices. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so it will be on to the next, the salad. See you when we come back. It's about that time. Find your boxing gloves and your mouthpieces, because it's coming back. The battle of the sexes, the oldest battle that's never been won, right here on Zarati TV. Ding, 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 ding. Steak is grilling, and this superfood salad has nothing to do with Home Chef. This is entirely me, one of my favorite superfood salad. So we're going to put this with dinner, and as soon as that steak gets done, it's on the plate and to the table. We'll be right back.
Tune in to West Coast Rollo Street, and you're now watching Zarati TV.
Okay, final step, custom steak sauce. Homemade from the drippings, wine, special seasonings. Yeah, we drizzle this over the steak. I'm your host, Miss Maserati, and I hope you are living your life like it's golden. You're watching Zarati TV. I did put a tribute in to Miss Diana Ross. So let's enjoy this treat together and give Miss Ross a listen.
Thank you. You're so wonderful and beautiful.
Thank you so much. 75 years young, still going strong, singing like an angel. We want to thank you for all the wonderful, wonderful music that you've brought and shared with us. Finally, we are done. End of the recipe. This is a home chef recipe, Maserati style. We have the garlic Swiss mashed potatoes with the Brussels sprouts and bacon, filet mignon wrapped in bacon, and a power salad. So this is not quite what Home Chef had in mind, but this is what I did my way with what came in the Home Chef box. I'm going to enjoy this. It's been fun cooking with you and working on the Home Chef recipe. We will show you what it was originally, and this is how it finished. All right, family, that was really, really fun. It is Grammy Sunday, and I just wanted to spend some time doing something quality for myself, cooking a good meal, and enjoying the Grammys. And I'm hoping that you've done the same, whether you gathered with friends or just did it by yourself. I hope that you enjoyed the show. The acts were fabulous. The women were strong and powerful. And it was really, really a entertaining show. I just want to leave you with a thought. In these troubling times, the Me Too, You Too, the DACA, the wall, the economy, the government shutdown, all kinds of crazy and strange things are going on in the world today. And that's not even to mention the gas prices, potholes, and the economy. That's another story and another show. Of course, you know I'll do it. But I just want to leave you with some words of encouragement. I want you to know that you should not allow these troubling times to overtake you. Don't let them get you depressed or stop you from moving forward in your goal. As you've seen tonight and a lot of the acts that came on stage, they've overcome great obstacles. And each and every one of us has the ability to do that. So stay focused on your focus. Don't let anyone take you off your square. Stay in your game, in the pocket, if you will. Continue to move and strive forward for whatever it is that your goals and desires are. And know that if you keep pushing forward, share some love, give a smile to a stranger, and pay a good deed forward, what goes around does come around, and your time will come. Just continue to be the good, strong, and wonderful person that you are. Try to walk on the right side. None of us are perfect. I skip on the wrong side from time to time myself. However, at the end of the day, I try to do the right thing for the greater good. And this is what makes America strong. Not walls, division, or hate. Love, strength, perseverance, and steadfastness. This is who we are as a people, not just as Americans, but as people all together. So, share love and stay focused on your focus. I just wanted to say that because, I don't know, I just want to say that. Anyway, I hope everyone that you wanted to win the Grammys won. I hope you enjoyed the acts as I did. Yay, girl power. The show was awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will see you next time right here on Zarati TV. I'm Miss Maserati. And for now, ciao.
This has been Ms. Maserati, and I'm in the kitchen cooking Sunday dinner right here on Zarati TV. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Ciao.
You've been watching Zarati TV via YouTube, and this has been another Maserati Multimedia Entertainment Network television production.